Okay, let's today see how to pass some data to your view. Let's create first of all our show posts. Okay, here this to show a post one by one. So first of all, we will create a variable holding a list of posts. Okay, this is a fake content. So every array of posts, every array have a every post have title, content, another data. Okay. So now we will create a view instead of passing simple strings. View. This is a global helper function. The view is the first parameter is the URI. URI. So the posts, the folder posts show, and for second parameter is the data to get passed. So let's name first of all our variable. This variable will pass to our view, so let's name it post. Okay, and its value is this fake array data, but we will pass as a key the ID will pass in the route. So ID, for example, if in the route, if we will want to see the data of the first posts, we will see this one, its title and its content. If we pass the 2 here, if we want to see the second one, we will see this data. Okay. Here our view, we name it under show under the folder posts. Let's create it. Is under the resources. Let's wrap up under resources. After resources view, we need to create a folder posts. After that, the show file. .php. Okay. Let's take this content, just paste it, because we will extend the same layout. For the title here, we'll pass our variable. You remember the name of the variable is post. Okay, so dollar here become in the template becomes post dollar post, and as the content, the title. Okay, and the same here inside the HTML. We will use another syntax, is the double curly braces. This is the syntax to show some data in the template to show our variable, but here we'll show the content. I want to stress that using these double curly braces make it the usage and the rendering of data is safe. Inside this one, some people, for example, try to put injection, for example, JavaScript or something. All those scripts will be secure here. just equate as strings here inside those double curly braces. Okay, so let's now test our view. Let's test it. Okay, for example, the post /1. Okay, the first content, the slash, the second content. Okay, if for example put something else not doesn't exist, is raise an error here. How to solve this error? There is another function called abort if. So the abort if allow us to just test for some condition. If not, is set our variable here. Just show us a 404 page instead of big error page. Instead of this one, just will show us a 40 called undefined abort if. Abort, not abort. Abort if, yes, like that. Okay, you see, beautiful, not found 404 page. So let me also show you something. Sometimes you don't need, as shown here, you don't need to pass some data. The root class from the facade provide us the view function to use. If you want to see this class, where to find this class? We found it here inside the vendor. We're going to Laravel. After Laravel framework, eliminate support. Okay, after support, facade route. Where is route? Here just you found all the list of your function. Just search for view. Okay, view, as you can see here, the function view just support for 3 parameter: the URI, the view, and the optional data. Okay, just here if you don't like to send the data, just use the route view function, static function, to make it cleaner. Okay, just for this one, just type in here. It accepts the URI and it accepts the view. We can pass also the name. Just copy it 3 times. Okay, for the content and for the about. Okay, we copy and paste. You understand now the concept of creating. Okay, page dot about. Page dot about, and here page dot contact. Okay, Okay, let's test now. We have the home, contact, about. Let's test for home. Okay, contact, and finally about. Okay, it worked. I hope this help. We show today passing data and how to simply view rendering. Thank you for watching. Please like and follow the channel, and thank you. Bye bye.